some change of plans, so we decided to book another hotel. Both are actually 4-star hotels, and we get free breakfast. There's a view in the room. Good morning.
Good morning. Can we just figure out where to eat or where the restaurant is? I made waffles.
You made waffles?
Yes. Waffle iron.
You actually made it. Oops,
Yeah, looks so good.
Hello.
Hey, son.
We're off to the next hotel, which is just, what, 100 meters away?
Yeah, it's around the corner.
It's cheaper in general. Toyo.
Like, very little.
Yeah, very little. But we're getting a better room on this one. Why it's so windy? My hair is flying everywhere. Vi har bokat ett rum under Dorothy. The moment you go in, there's a bathroom door. And there's a shower. Robes. There's actually a door on the right that is connected to another room, so we can't really enter that room. And this is a corner room, so there's another one on the left side there. And there's Casper.
Hello.
And it's a bright room because of the windows, and there's the other door. We have the TV and the closet. And here we have the view of Skånes and Skildabank. And you can see there the Kärnan, the fortress, the famous fortress in Helsingborg. Go ahead.
Ut.
Ut. Where are we going?
Out.
Out.
In here first. We're going up there. Or saw the light show yesterday.
Ooh, can you do it in bed? That's the one that we can see from out. Okay. It's super windy right now, and it's very, very windy right now. But look at this. Oh my God. actually Helsingborg.
Yeah.
That's
where I'm from.
Well, yes.
Well, not from. Just lived there for 15 years.
And Helsingborg is basically where we take the ferry going to Denmark. So you can see it over there. You can see it in our vlog last summer.
Yeah.
We took videos from Helsingborg with a view of Helsingborg. And that one over here, this one. That's the Rådhusplatsen. Det är på danska.
Yeah.
Rådhus på svenska. It's a city hall.
It's consistent, it's just push. The city is called Helsingborg. Helsing is a name and Borg is a fortress, and that kind of looks like a fortress to me. So.
Well, it is a fortress. To some who don't know how Swedish words work, this is how Shannon is spelled.
Shannon Helsingborgs Torn. That means Helsingborg's tower.
Yep.
This used to be a part of Denmark for a long time though. But that's like, I think it's also here, till 1658. It kind of functioned as a toll, together with the Kvarmez as well. So if you wanted to pass by Öresund, this is like the narrowest part of Öresund.
Yeah, the Öresund Strait.
Yeah, you had to pay a toll. If you did not, you'd probably just get shut down by all the cannons on this side and the other side, and the large fleet that Denmark had.
Helsingborg is a part of Skåne County, where Malmö and Lund are. They are basically, well, Skåne is the bordering county going to Denmark, but of course there's the Öresund in between them. So coming from Malmö, you can take a train or your car over the bridge, the Öresundbron, to get to Copenhagen. And from here in Helsingborg, you can take a ferry, a 20-minute ride to Helsingør, where Kronborg is, the famous Elsinö from Hamlet. What do we have here?
Got fries, burger with chicken, and some cheddar dip buffalo wings.
Buffalo wings. Because we're eating in the hotel because the weather.
And everything is closed today. Like all the good restaurants that we wanted to try, they were just closed.
Yep, more to see tomorrow. Where are we going now?
To the ferry.
We're on the ferry now. And we're to Helsingør, Denmark. Go ahead. Hey.
Jag tycker inte alls man mäter det. Men Fabian tyckte det. Ja. Men han har tråkigt.
der lys af det hele.
We're docking to Denmark. Snowing outside. Finally, but still raining a bit, but there's definitely more snow now.
Vad sa du?
Cozy. Mysigt.
Mysigt.
Hyggeligt.
How much is that one?
No, that was 10 because you got a
Okay, and you get the. Oh. How much did you pay for that?
Ja. 30.
We're about to leave Helsingborg now.
Yep,
Yeah.
and you can see the town hall from here.
There.
It's just waiting for the bus. But that's it for this trip. See you for New Year's.
Precis.
Hej då.
Gå gärna in på bussförhjulen.buss.se och